Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making some chocoflan and these are the ingredients we are going to be using. We are going to start by putting some butter and some sugar into a bowl, and with an electric hand mixer we are going to go ahead and mix this up until it is light and fluffy. Once this is done, we're going to go ahead and add an egg and mix it again. Until it looks something like this. We are then going to sift some baking powder, baking soda, and some cocoa into our mixture. And about 1/3 of the flour that we're going to be using. For exact measurements, please see in the description box below. Once we have about 1/3 of that, we're going to add half of the buttermilk amount that we're going to be using and go ahead and mix it. Once it looks a little bit mixed up, we are going to repeat the process and add the other half of the flour mixture and the rest of the buttermilk and mix again. And then we're going to add the rest of the flour mixture. Make sure that this mixture is sifted and just mix it all together until it looks all blended. We are now going to go ahead and make the flan portion. These are the ingredients we are going to use. So in a blender, we're going to go ahead and combine the evaporated milk and the condensed milk, along with the cream cheese, the eggs. We're adding 3 eggs and vanilla. We're then going to go ahead and mix this in the blender for about 30 seconds or so. And you're going to have something that looks like this. We will be needing abundant pan, and we will have to butter it up a little bit. Make sure you coat every little part of it until it looks coated completely like this. We're then going to add about 1/4 of a cup of cajeta. If you don't have cajeta, you can use caramel. And just put it at the bottom of the pan. We are then going to add the cake batter into the pan and just try and go ahead and spread it evenly. I'm just trying to take the air bubbles out here. And then I'm just going to go ahead and measure it up. We will be needing a roasting pan, so I'm just going to measure it up here. And we'll also need to make sure that it has about 1 inch or so of water. So here I am, just adding about 1 inch of water. Once I have this measured up, I'm going to go ahead and add the flan. So I'm going to go ahead and pour that in slowly. And once it bakes, the flan will end up on the opposite side, so it'll end up on the bottom, and then the cake part will end up on the top. Once I've poured all the flan into the pan, I'm going to go ahead and cover it up with aluminum foil and just cover it. Put this in the oven. So here I did put the cooking time for about an hour, but you will be needing about an hour and 45 minutes or so. Just keep on checking on your cake. Once the knife comes out clean, you should be on the clear to go ahead and take it out of the oven. And this is what your final product will look like. You can add more cajeta on top or caramel, whichever you're using. I am also adding some walnuts, which is optional. You can add pecans. You can add walnuts. That is completely up to you, and this is the final result. For the link to this recipe, please see the description box below. Thank you so much for watching.